vaguely the same size and there's the levels. So I don't have too much to worry about.
Oh, nice specs.
It's videotaping. Video.
See now, Marie, now everything's out of proportion.
Video.
It's all fucked up.
Let me clean it up, please.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Do your thing.
It still looks like a big black smudge.
There we go. That's the chick who did it. Woo!
Good.
Yay!
Good,
Awesome.
Do you like it? On Purnell in Santa Fe. It's beautiful, right? My boxer? Oh, yeah.